Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. This is a reference video for the 1-2 movement that I'll be referring to in some future videos. So this is the video that I want to use to explain a little bit further in depth so I don't have to do it in future videos. So let's get started. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is a reference video for the 1-2 movement. There's not going to be a lot of application here, but mostly just to get an in-depth view about what the 1-2 movement is. So we're going to start in the key of C, just to get our reference point. We're going to take the 1 chord, and then we're going to move to the 2 chord. Now notice that my 1 chord and my 2 chord are what's called root position. That means the root of the chord, C, is in the C chord, and D is in the D chord, okay? So that's just the basic first movement for the root position. Okay? So if this is new to you, get familiar with just that movement. It's kind of a locked hand position. You can see my hand is almost like a mannequin hand, just kind of. Okay? So that's the first one. The next one, we're going to do the 1-2 movement, but we're going to use first inversion. That means E is on the bottom. It's still a C chord, but now E is on the bottom. And we're going to go to the 2 in first inversion, which is the D minor here, with F on the bottom. Notice all the time I'm keeping C in the left hand. So C is really my root. I'm only using the D chord as kind of a way to make some movement within that, okay? So let's go back to the 1 chord in root position, to the 2, and now first inversion. Now we're going to do the same thing, 1-2 in second inversion. That means my 1 chord C now has G on the bottom. So let's practice that, just that C chord, second inversion, to the D minor chord, and back. Just get used to toggling back and forth. Now that you've got that familiar, what we're going to do is we're going to move up and down the piano, toggling back and forth between the 1 and the 2 chord. So sometimes we're going to be in root position, sometimes first inversion, sometimes second inversion. So it's going to look something like this. Just moving up and down, we have 1 root position, 2 root position, 1 first inversion, 2 first inversion, 1 second inversion, and 2 second inversion. So we're going to move up and down like this. Okay? So again, if this is kind of new for you, practice that. Get used to moving up and down with that 1-2 movement. Usually you don't have to move a lot like up and down the piano. It's just to get you used to playing up here, or up here, or here. Okay? Now once you get familiar with that, I really want to challenge you to practice this in different keys. So you're going to be playing songs in different keys. You're going to be playing songs in A, in E flat, A flat. So get used to how your hand feels moving back and forth between the 1 and the 2 chord. Again, this is just the reference video, so that's all that we have for this, but I'll be referring back to this video in other future videos. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little indication to show notifications for future videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you in the different videos. Bye.